Amazon has been on a roll with raising fees lately. They introduce inbound fees and then they increase the FBA fee structure. And guess what? Now they are announced another fee increase, a fee for seller with low inventory. This is sure to shake things up for a lot of sellers who may have to rethink their inventory strategy in order to avoid getting hit with their higher fees. Hello everyone, this is your host Sakhawat from Ecomclips. In this video, I will break down every little detail you need to know about the low inventory fee increase. So you can get your stock, your inventory and your entire business's plan sorted before the new fee starts affecting sellers. First, let's talk about the low inventory level fee. From April 1st, 2024, this fee will apply to those sellers who regularly have insufficient quantity of item in stock compared to customer demand. When sellers don't have enough stock to meet demand, it can cause customers to have their orders delayed or not to be able to find the products they want to buy. This mismatch can also make it harder for Amazon to efficiently distribute products across its network, which can lead to slower delivery times and increased shipping costs. To handle this situation and build a reliable supply chain, Amazon has introduced this new low inventory level fee. Because Amazon wants you to keep at least 4 weeks of inventory for your products. That's 28 days of stock per items and depends on both short-term and long-term historical days of supplies. Let me make it clear for you. When your long-term and short-term historical days of supplies, which is 90 days and 30 days respectively, fall below 28 days, you will have to pay extra money for each product. Here are two things to keep in mind. Amazon calculates the historical days of supply for each parent product or main product category. The fee will be included in the FBA fulfillment fee for each unit shipped. To view your historical days of supply, go to FBA inventory. You will see both the short-term and long-term sales data there. Along with the historical days of supply, the low inventory level fee structure is also based on different size tier and shipping weights. As you can see, the fee you pay goes down as your historical days of supply go up. For example, if you sell a large standard item that weighs between 3 pounds to 20 pounds, Amazon will charge you $1.1 per item if your historical days of supply is 0 to 14 days, which means your stock is critically low. If your inventory tends to last between 14 to 21 days, the fee goes down to 0.87 per item, which means you have a moderate shortage in stock. If you can keep your inventory lasting between 21 to 28 days, the fees goes down even further, $0.47 per item, which means your inventory shortage is less severe. Basically, all these extra fees that Amazon charges can really cut into your profit, especially if you are into retail arbitrage or if you don't keep a lot of inventory on hand. But it is important to note that you won't be charged the low inventory level fee if your product is out of stock. It only applies when your product has fulfillable inventory within Amazon's network. Additionally, there are some exceptions where the low inventory level fee will not apply. Number 1. New professional sellers for the first 365 days after the first inventory receipt date. Number 2. New to FBA parent products for the first 180 days after the first inventory receipt date. Number 3. Products that are auto-replenished by Amazon warehousing and distribution. I'm curious why Amazon keeps on increasing their fees. Do you think they are losing money? I don't think so, but I don't like getting hit with new fees all the time. I know there are sometimes reasons for it, but I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you want my advice here, you have several options to manage your inventory effectively. Firstly, of course, you have to send additional units to Amazon FBA. Always make sure your product's short-term historical days of supply exceed 28 days over the last 30 days. Another approach is to enroll your products in auto-replenish through Amazon Warehousing and Distribution (AWD). It is an all-inclusive third-party logistic 3PL solution. AWD can both store and ship your products within the Amazon fulfillment network even if they are not sold through Amazon. Obviously, there are other, but the AWD handles restocking your products and qualify for an exemption from the low inventory level fee. You can also give it a try. However, I will put the link in the description so that you can get to know more about AWD and Amazon supply chain. So bottom line is adapt to Amazon's updates and policies, and the more you align with Amazon goals, the better your chances to success. However, it is important to remember that Amazon is not your friend. Amazon's mission statement is to help customers. The sellers are not Amazon's customer, and our mission statement is to help sellers. We want to be the most seller-sending company in the world to help Amazon sellers do better on Amazon, which is why we give out all our content for free. If you want to hire us to help you, you can book a same-day free appointment with us. We are an e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Till now, we have launched and have managing more than 1,000 of Amazon choices and bestseller ranked products. Moreover, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts who are helping businesses all over the world. We would love to help and work for you as well. Thanks for tuning in today. I will catch you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.